So if you've already connected your DJI Mic Mini to your Windows PC or laptop, but whenever you try to use it, it's not being detected, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open up your Settings app. In Settings, you want to navigate to your System Settings, then you want to go ahead and select Sound. From here, you want to ensure that the current input is set to your DJI Mic Mini. If it's not, go ahead and select it. And then you can even choose that device and just customize it by increasing or decreasing the input volume as well as the format it's going to come out in. You can also just start a microphone test to ensure that it's working properly and the way you want it to work. So you can see as I speak, the voice levels are going up. So you can just go ahead and adjust it to your liking. Then you can select stop test and the test will be stopped. You can see it's picking up the volume. And so that is how you can ensure that your microphone has been set as your default on your Windows PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.